So here, okay, so the what is this input? Company code and vendor fiscal year. So first one, already company code is there in input criteria. The next one is a vendor also there in input criteria. Fiscal year is just optional. The next step is we have to check whether it is a open item and cleared item. So we are fetching vendor open item details, right? So we have to go to the vendor open item table. From vendor open item table, we have to fetch the all document numbers against this vendors. Okay. So directly, what is the table name for that? First, we have to check the table name. So based on that user requirement, we have to select the table. So user is asking to fetch the only open item. So here we have to go with that open items only. So for everything, there is some proforma is there to write that logic. So first I will write the logic, then I will explain. Okay. So first one is in output criteria, I want to display, these are the output fields. So I want to display vendor number. Okay, if you want to display vendor number, we have to give the logic. The logic is, first write this one, guys. In bracket, I will give this one. It will very helpful to you to understand. Buckers means company code. BSIK is the one item. Sorry, it's a vendor open. So now it's easy to understand. Done, guys?
Yes, Vishnu.
Okay, so this is the exact format, guys. This is a same format for all company. If you go for any company, this is only the format. So the first one is, if you want to fetch these details, vendor number, so what we have to do, you just go with the step by step. Okay, pass the buckers means company code in BSIK table. Okay, so what is the table name? First, go to SE16N, go to the BSIK table. So what we have to pass the buckers is a company code. So what is our company code? Company code is a TIL. Okay, guys, here already in input we are giving company code, right? So already they will give the program, whatever company code here we are giving, automatically it will fetch here. Okay, but we have to write the program like this only. This is only the format. So what we have to give, first I went to the BSIK table, I have given the company code. Okay, and directly I'm just executing, just execute here. Here we can get all kind of the vendors. So you can get all the vendors. So this is the first format. How to get that vendor number? First, we have to fetch the buckets company code in BSIK, vendor open item table. Then fetch the all vendor data, because we have given the date range, right? Within this 1 month date range, how many vendors are there? Again, is that vendor, how many documents are posted? We have to give all that kind of information, right? So here, what is the first step? I have given my company code here. Again, is this company code. I am just executing the program. Guys, this is actually this is a simple, but don't think that it will be like this only. Along with the company code, we have to give more inputs. More inputs mean in one company, you can, if I execute this one, you can see all vendors list are there. Okay, but in real time, along with the company code, we have to give some basic information. Basic information means what is your fiscal year. Okay, so this kind of information also we have to give, but this is a first class, right? So we'll go with the simple, so that you can understand easily. First requirement is give the company code, execute. We have to fetch the all vendor information. The first step is we have to fetch the all vendor information. Okay, so this is a first step. Guys, did you understand how to fetch the vendor number?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Vishnu.
Okay, and you have to remember one thing, but actually in input we have to given some document date range, right? Range I have given this much date range, right? But ABAPer will write the program. So enter the company code buckers, and you can see some document date is there, right? Here we will give the date. Suppose from 6th I am giving. Okay, from 5. So from 5 to 6 I am giving. If you execute the data, if you execute in this company code within this date range, how many documents are posted? With the help of the vendors, that kind of, there is no data is there, so that's why it is showing no value. That kind of information will be displayed here. Okay, this is the actual process. Along with the company code, we have to give the basic information like this. Okay, but in real time we no need to write all this document data and fiscal year, because in input already we have given the date range, right? We have given the document date and username. Automatically system will fetch automatically, but we have to give this detail. It is a mandatory. Which table, and you can see the last option. This is a very, very important. This one is simple. This is enough to understand complete program. From BSIK table, we are fetching this field, LIF and this data we are going to fetch. This is the first step, how to fetch the vendors. Okay. The next one is a vendor name. Vendor name means okay, if you go to FBL1 and report, here always you can see this one, right? Vendor 270 vendor is there. Suppose if there is a multiple vendors are there, we can get only vendor number only. So, but user is asking next to vendor, he want to display vendor name also. So against this vendor 270, what is the vendor name? Okay, we have to display that kind of the data. For the vendor name, all kind of vendor information will be stored in one table. Already have given that table. That table is at LFA1. So this is related to all vendors. So
Under master data.
yeah, LFA1 and LFB1, all kind of vendor information, vendor mail ID, vendor address, all kind of vendor information will be stored in these tables, LFA1 and LFB1. So you have to remember these things, guys. So tables, this is a mandatory. As a FI consultant, we have to remember these names. So from where we have to fetch the data, LFA1. So I'm going to LFA1. The next one is what is the input? In LFA1, if you execute, directly I'm executing, guys, here. We can get all vendor informations only, but I don't want to display all vendor names. I want to display only one vendor, because see the first step. In first step, already we have some vendor number. Okay, suppose I will take some vendor number here. Okay, with the help of the first step, we fetch the vendor number. So this is a vendor number. What is the second step? Again, is this vendor number, we have to display this. What is the name of this vendor? So what is, I'm taking this as a input. So in LFA1 table, which details you want? Okay, I want to display only this vendor information, only. Okay, pass this vendor and execute the data. You will get what is the end, this vendor, what is the name? RM Enterprises. Okay, this is the name. So what is the procedure to get that vendor name? Go to LFA1 table, pass the LIFNR, pass the LIFNR. We have to give the vendor number. Then which details we have to fetch? We have to fetch the name one detail. So this information we have to fetch. So for every table, first step is we have to give some input. So here you can see some colors. Let's see the difference between this color and this color. It's a blue color and these are the black color. Blue color is a input. So if we want to fetch this information, I mean this all information, at least we have to give some one input. That's why it is in blue color. I have given vendor is the input. I'm executing the data and I'm fetching vendor name. So how to write this FS? So in FS, how can we write? So same format. Pass the LIFNR. Already in above step, we got that LIFNR. Okay, whatever LIFNR we got it here, we are passing the same data in the next step. Okay, so pass the LIFNR. LIFNR means vendor name in LF event table in fetch the name one. One minute. So name one only. Okay. So this is the logic to fetch the vendor name. So how to fetch the vendor name? So here we have given pass vendor name, pass LIFNR. In which table you have to pass? In LFA1 table. Then fetch the name one. Fetch means getting the data. Here I have passed vendor number and what I am getting here you can see I want name, vendor name. Suppose I want to post box number for the vendor. So just see here, suppose again as this vendor, I want to see the post box number. What is the process? Same. Again, pass the LFNR in LFA1 table and fetch. See the post box. Where is the post box here? Here you can see post box. What is the name for the post box? PFSEH. Okay, so simply copy. So instead of name one, I don't want to name one. I want post box. So instead of name one, enter this data. That's it. Okay, this is very, very simple, guys. So once if you prepare this one, so everything is very easy. So same table, input is a common. Against this input, we can fetch any kind of information. Okay, so what is the final field name? LFA1 hyphen name one.
Vishnu, your voice is breaking.
Your voice is breaking, Vishnu.
I'm sorry, guys. I got call, so I have connected through hotspot. Can you hear me now? Hello? Guys, can you hear me?
Yes, now it is.
Yes, now we can hear you.
Sorry, guys, I got some network issues. So, okay, so what is the final step? Vendor name is LFA1 hyphen name one. LFA1 means from, this is important, from which table? LFA1 table hyphen, which data we are going to fetch? Name one. Okay, so this is the final step, LFA1 hyphen name one. Here we have written.
We are losing you, Vishnu. You are not audible.
Guys, I'm sorry, guys. So today we'll close here. So I will upload. So tomorrow we will discuss, okay? Because I have some network issues.
Sure, Vishnu.
Oh, okay. So wait, I will add this day. I will share this
Yeah,
document.
no problem, Vishnu.
I think we lost you completely.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Just 2 minutes. Tomorrow we will continue, guys. Okay.
Okay, Vishnu.
Sure.
Just a minute, guys. Guys, I don't know my chat box. I'm unable to upload this document. Can anyone give the mail ID? I will mail this one so you can upload in WhatsApp because I don't have a WhatsApp access here. Can someone tell me the mail ID? I will share this document. You guys can upload in WhatsApp group.
Yes, Kiran, Kiran,
Kiran?
GKT,
Sorry?
T for Goa, K for Kiran, and again T for Tamil Nadu. GKT94 @gmail. Kiran, GKT94 @gmail.com. 94 @gmail.com.
So you can post it in group, right? Okay, just post
Yes,
this
yes.
document. Okay, so I don't know. For me, upload option is not displaying here in chat box.
Okay. No.
Upload it now only. Okay, guys, you just go through that process, guys. So tomorrow we will continue with other scenarios. Okay.
Okay, Vishnu. Okay.
Okay, guys. Bye.
Okay, Vishnu. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Bye, guys. Good night.
Thank you.